Hello guys, welcome back to Inkios Inside channel once again. So far so good. In the past 2 years now, I've been trying multiple ways to earn in Bitcoin just with my Android device. So I finally found the app which I will be showing you now. Now, the reason why I love this particular site is that you don't need to refer anyone, and the site is 100% free guys. No investment is required. So the site is a mining website. um Not just mining alone, cause there are multiple ways to earn. So if you start mining today, by the first week of February you start to withdraw your earnings guys. So far you have hit 1000. So if you have hit 1000 satoshi of Bitcoin, you will receive your earning. It's very easy to hit 10,000 sats. So 10,000 sats equals to $4.70. Now let me show you the step-by-step guide on how to earn with just your Android device. So please guys, do me well to watch the video till the end, and if you love this video, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, click the subscribe button. So to subscribe, subscription is free, is 100% free. You don't need to pay any money before you subscribe. And without talking too much, let's jump right into the video guide starting right now. Alright guys, first thing first is to come to the platform. So now let's go to Play Store. I'm using an Android device. Okay, so okay, let me go to, I think I have the app here. Okay, coins. So now, so first thing first, to come to the platform, they call the platform Coin App, and this platform is this very platform here is currently an application. It's a new earning platform. It's a new earning application app that people are actually using basically to make money right here. So depending on the phone you are using right now, you can choose either Apple Store or Google Play Store. Okay, so for us, I'm using an Android device. All I need to do is to click on get it on Play Store. Okay, so now I've gotten it on Play Store. If you want to get it on Play Store, let's go to Play Store. Alright, let's go to Play Store now. Okay, this is Play Store. Then let's just type the device here. Okay, coins tab. Okay, let's scroll up now. So this is the site. So for us, I'm using an Android device, so all I need to do is to get some Play Store. Now this is the Play Store. Once you click on it, it will take you to Play Store and you have to install the app. But personally, I already have the app installed on my phone. So for you, it will be telling you to install. You can see my own is telling me to open, but for you it will be telling you to install it. So install it. So on Play Store alone, it has 4.5 reviews. You can see this person comment, what a wonderful app, it's seconds to none. So far so good. It's been supporting me financially for almost a year now. I have given it to more than 20 friends. So this one said it's a good app that makes extra money in the background, with crypto going up and being the future app. So you can see the review of people, so you should know that this app is really good. Okay, so for this app you must have a good battery, guys. The Cause the thing will be working at the background of your phone, cause the app will be working for 24 hours. So you can be chatting with friends on Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, TikTok, and so on. This app will be working in the background. So let me show you. Once I click on open, it will load up. It will take me to take me right to the app. Once you are here, it's going to initialize. So give it time to load up. Depending on wherever you are in the world, you can actually access this app wherever you are, be it Nigeria, India, Pakistan, USA, and worldwide. So you can um so depending on your location, if you are in India, Pakistan, USA, worldwide, you can actually use this platform instantly. So I will click on where it says continue. You can see it says continue. Click on continue. Okay, I will click on next. I'll click on next. Then you can see to get started on it, right? On its right foot. So to get started on its right foot, we are sending you 100 free coin. To get started on the right foot, we are sending you 100 coins for free for new users only. Okay, so right now you can actually collect free 100 coins instantly, guys. So I will click on collect. I'll click on collect. Once I click on collect, don't worry, I will show you how to convert this to crypto right now. So they will ask you to put your email address. So they said your email address acts as a key to your earnings, so be sure to enter the email correctly. So put a functional email, please. Put a functional email. So I'll click on next. Okay, please, I've said it to put a functional email address. First question they will ask is, how do you find this platform? Okay, okay, continue. Next. Okay, they did not ask me the question. Okay, they asked me, they said, how did you find out about coins? So I will click on, you can choose any answer you want. So I will click on YouTube ads. I'll click on YouTube's ads. So so it will show me location. I will click on enable. So and get it started right now. So I will click on why using the app. Okay, and that is all, guys. Your account is ready to basically start earning. So if you look at this, is looking like a Google map. You can see the location is looking like a Google map. They say tap the geomoney button to begin. So I'll click on this place that looks like axe. So I'll click on the mining icon that look like axe. So I'll click on it. So once I click on it, you can see I've gotten my 100 coins. Okay, wow. So once you click on it, it will say start the geo mining to begin earning coins. So once you click on it, it will start mining right now, and you will see that your 100 coins has been given to you. You can see. So I will click on sound good. Okay, click on the tie and tap. Okay, I'll click on the axe. Okay, so I think, okay, Okay, so now you have to tap the color 15 times. So click on the tie and tap the color. Click on the tie. No. Okay. Click on it. Clear tie. Okay, I'll click on color. Okay. Then another coins will be sent to me. Okay, you can see guys. So you have to tap the color 15 times. So they say awesome. So you have to tap it 15 times. So to be able to, so let's click on this auto explore. Click on auto explore. You can see they say auto collect allow you to geomine without tapping the pixel button manually. The feature is currently locked. It will become available once you have geomine 15 times. So we have to mine this 15 times. Okay, so it's very easy to get to 1000 and to 10,000 coins. Okay, so it's very easy to click to get to 10,000 coins. So I will show you how to convert your crypto. They will say your email address acts as a key, blah blah blah. All those things I've explained it in the past. So click on this geomoney 15 times. So once you click on it 15 times, it's going to, okay, color. Okay, I'll click on the tie, then it shows me. So now this is how to withdraw. Click on the 100, then okay, view coin redeem option, then you can redeem. You click on redeem. You have not reached the minimum amount of coin required withdraw. Please collect at least 10,000 coins before trying again. Okay, so you can just click on Bitcoin if you want to, or Tether or Apple. You can click on Bitcoin or Ethereum to withdraw your earnings. Once you click on, you will click on this place that is showing 109. Okay, so you can perform survey. So you can earn from survey, you can earn through watching videos. You can, if you click on this bob icon, you can earn through watching videos, audio ads, reward survey, big earn, team lift, referrals, content. So take note, you don't need to refer anyone before you start. You don't need to refer anyone before you start earning from this app, guys. You don't need to refer anyone, you don't need to refer anybody. So guys, I want you to take advantage of this new crypto site. Install it on your phone and start earning in Bitcoin or Ethereum. So you start earning. So once you get to 10,000 points, okay, you are now going to be eligible to withdraw. So 10,000 points is equivalent to $4.70. Okay, take note, 10,000 points is equivalent to $10.70. You can quickly get to $10. Okay, you can quickly get to $10. So just take advantage of this site. Okay, just take advantage of this site. Okay, so I think this will be the end of the video. If you have any question concerning this site, I will drop my WhatsApp number on the screen, so you can contact me and ask me any question you want to ask. Also, we have a Telegram channel and WhatsApp group link. I will drop the link in the comment section or in the video description box, so you can ask me any question concerning this site. I will reply you. So just feel free to contact me with the number I'm going to drop on the screen. So So I'm Uniqueous Insights. All we do here is to talk about money making updates. So if this is what you are really interested in, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share to families and friends. I think I've shown you how to withdraw, okay? So just take advantage. If you want to ask me any question concerning this site, I will drop the WhatsApp number on the screen so you can contact me and ask me questions about this site. I will answer you, or you join our WhatsApp group link or our Telegram group, our Telegram channel, so you can contact us there and ask me questions concerning this site. Just ask me, just tell me that I want to know more about this coin app, then I will tell you more about it. So thanks for watching this video. Remain financially stable.